Moca.
Chop piece of food, buy me niece of shoes.
Yeah. Go on, mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya star. Only for pressure and I'm gone. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, on the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and start hold me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one, contents you enjoy listening. Alright, so today we want to talk about Byron Messia, Moca. You see me? And we want to know if Byron took this rhythm from Valiant, because we all know Valiant have the hit song Cut All My Losses. So you comment and let me know which song you think is the best song on the rhythm. We're gonna jump right into it. Stay tuned for the breakdown.
Moca.
Chop piece of food, buy me niece of shoes. Regular me buckets, color Madison Avenue. Daily me phone, I forget physical abuse. Yeah, man, I teach me how fish can't make it wrong move. Hennessy and Red Bull, be a girl in the guest room.
Moca. So Moca get tip off about the chopper them location and I come for search the premises. Byron Messia make a know say, yo, I have real reason for chop a line. I have to buy my niece a shoes as a good uncle, as a good man. You see me? We are provide for my family and relatives and everybody with the inner my circle, with the inner my surrounding. A regular we buck is call them pan the line. We bang a line deal, we bang a line 24/7, 25/8. You see me? That's so we bang a line. Yard man that teach me say, yo, keep your badness under wraps, keep your badness quiet. Can't make a wrong move at chess, not checkers. So we move have to be precise. NSC and Red Bull, girl them dash out.
No, me woulda reach a long time, me shoulda left school. Been a roll the paper long before me use the restroom. I plan my next move. Me have a line, a million of them me have be fine. Moca. Nobody waste your time, me dash with the iPhone tonight.
No more than rich. A long time I should have left school and not now. You see me? Cause me day at school, I study for pilot. And me come out here come start choppy line. And me a choppy line and make more money in one day where pilots make a year. But for all the schoolers listening, stay in school, get your education. Education is the key. We been a banging line. And Moca, don't waste your time because the iPhone they don't turn off. They find my iPhone, don't turn off. I'm a dash with the iPhone. The iPhone that last with all of the client's information. Yeah.
We never stopping, forever chopping. Money stack, fi carry me mother shopping. Wake up, make a call a foreign. Same when I'm run, no fi collect the package. I'm put the food and the right for the damage.
We never stopping. Money afi make. This is our way of putting food on the table. This is our way of making sure say yo, we family them alright. Chop a line and stack a pile and make sure say yo, me take my mother shopping. Cause we are do it for a reason. We link tall and heavy in a foreign. We have the associates them on the ground. Ramp with the food and you see if the rifle you no sing. You see if me no clot the rifle ya.
Can't speak much about him and my Moca watching. Top coat, big niche, stock food, big leg. They go outside, I travel with the 16.
Yo, not say too much because Moca we Moca watch Wagwan. So we don't want to make them know wiser. Top coat, big meat, stock food, big league. Yo, look how we outside. I travel with the 16. I travel with the M16. You if you know that, what you know about that. What we do and how we do it separate us from the rest. Know that. If you make it to the end of this video, check out my other video them. I'm sure you know say you're not gonna like it if you don't like this one. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.